Hi everyone, it's Maths Time with Mr. Twig, and today we're going to be working on conservation of number. Okay, we'll see some more about that in a bit. Now, to start the lesson, I need to tell you what you're going to need today. You'll need some of your counters, you'd need a dice, ideally, and that's about it, really. Oh no, you might need some dominoes. If you've got any dominoes, that will help towards the end of the lesson for the game that you're going to be playing. All right, let's not worry about that now. Okay, let's warm up. Let's get our brains ready for maths. Now, I wonder if you can remember any of the songs that you've been singing in our maths lessons. They've been all to do with numbers. We've had Currant Bun song, we've had the frog song, Speckled Frogs, we had Alice the Camel yesterday. I'd like you to choose a song to sing, a number song. It could be one of those, it could be one that you know. Okay, so when you're ready, press pause and sing the song along with your grown up. Okay, I wonder what song you chose to sing. You have to let me know. Now then, today then, we're going to be looking at conservation of number. We have done a bit on this before, but we're just going to have a recap. I need 6 objects. I'm going to count them out. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more, mate. How many is that all together? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 objects all together. Okay, I'm going to move them around. Space them out a bit. How many will there be now? Why? That's right. There will be 6 because I've not added any and I've not taken any away. Let's just check. Let's count them. And remember, I like to touch them. It sort of helps to keep the number in my head, to touch the objects when I count. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5? That's weird. We had 6. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's hiding. Let's check. Have we got 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 objects all together. Okay. Now, does it matter when we're counting that this is smaller than the dolls and the Matryoshka dolls? That's right. It doesn't matter because it's not about the size of the objects today. It's about how many we have all together. Now, I'm going to move my things out of the way and I'm going to show you the job that I'd like you to do with your grown-up after you've listened to me. So we're going to roll a dice to make a number. What number have I made? Count the dots. 3. That's right. So there's number 3. I'm going to find a way to show my 3. Do you know what? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. I can use my gems. What else could I have used? Yeah, anything really. Okay. If I arrange them like this, how many do I have? What about if we put them like this? Yeah, whatever we do, there are 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 objects all together. Now, okay, this is what we're going to do then. You're going to roll the dice to make your number, and then your adult's going to have a go at rolling the dice, and then they're going to see if they can make their number. What number is this, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. So adults, you'll need to find a way to show your 4. I'm looking for my pasta. Here it is. So I've got number 4. I'm going to represent it with my pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 pieces of pasta all together. So, who has the most? Who's got the bigger number? We have 3 gems. You can't see those. We have 3 gems. We have 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This group is bigger, it has one more than this group. There are 3, there are 4. Okay. This group has a smaller number, this group has a bigger number, the greater number. Have a practice at home. Have a few goes each and see who can make the bigger number. But remember, when you're talking about the numbers, use those words of greater, less, fewer, same, because you might get the same number, different. Try and get those words in. Okay? Have a go now, and then when you pause the video, press play when you're ready. Right, well, I hope you got on well with that. Now, just a little job, if you've got your dominoes, just a nice little job to really get into our head about subitizing, about recognising numbers without actually having to count them, because we can just know by the way that they're arranged, okay? So that is a really important skill that we can practice with our dominoes. Here's my dominoes. Now, dominoes, for those who don't know, have a number represented on one side with dots, and then a number represented on the other side. So on this domino, we've got represented number 1, number 1, 2, 3, number 3, and number 1. What I want to try and do with your dominoes is spread them out and just see who can make the longest train. Now, you can keep playing this game, but you have to stop if your train can't match. So I've got one domino. I'm going to choose one for my box. This domino has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 5 and a 2. It doesn't match. So when you're playing at home, that means now it's somebody else's go. So they're going to take one domino. Oh, look, this has got a 2 on this end and a 2 on this end. And then they're going to choose another domino. So hopefully you'll find a domino with the number 2 on. Oh, no, number 2 there. So that's no good. So it's this person's turn, and they need to find anything that matches here. So we've got a domino that's got 3 and a 2. Oh, we've got both here. So I'm going to look at my domino. I'm going to match up the 2. Can you just see? Put them like this so you can see. Those 2s match. But also, I've noticed now, I can match this domino on because it's got a 3 and there's a spare 3. Now I can have another go. I'm going to choose my domino. So I'm looking for something with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or a 4. Oh, look, there's a 5. And carry on like this until you can't go. So, for example, if I were to pull out a 6 and a 2, it wouldn't go. I'd save it, and then it would be this person's go. And look, they have chosen a 6 and a 2. They can continue, but they can't add another one. It's this person's go. Wonder who's going to make the longest train. Be great to see some pictures. Okay, guys, cheers, bye.